Hello guys, Salvador here. Today we will take a look on Daggerfall Unity. This is a remaster of Daggerfall, made on Unity obviously, made by the community. I believe it is open source, and well, we will try to run it on ARM Linux with BOX86. Here on ROCKPI4B, but you can try it on ROCKPI 4 with TwisterOS obviously. So you can search Daggerfall Unity on Saint Google and you will find it quite quickly. If you go to downloads, Daggerfall Unity, sorry, my internet connection is not working that great. So we have Windows 32 bits, and that is the one we want to choose. The game would run better on Linux 32 bits if it had a binary, but the only release for Linux, it is Linux 64-bit, and BOX86 will be unable to launch this game. That will be a thing for BOX84, something that it is on development on very early stages, and it will be a thing several months later. So right now you have to download the Windows 32-bit beta version. I have it downloaded already, and also you need your copy of Daggerfall. Daggerfall is abandonware at these stages, so I have it already here. I will extract it. Also I will extract Daggerfall Unity. And I need to install this Daggerfall, so I will use BOX86. Sorry, DOSBox. So I will open a terminal and I will say DOSBox. You will have DOSBox installed on TwisterOS already, so there's no problem with that. Not install it before. And I will tap remember, I don't type everything. I just put some words, and then, for example, if I do DOSBox and here it will say what things it can run, I will type an I, an N, and just tap, and everything. It is much easier to do on terminal if you just use tab. So after that, sorry about my English, you know that it is not my native language. Continue, install the game, yes, obviously, go ahead. The current location, it is on the current folder, that is C mounted on DOSBox. So this is a demonstration. I don't think it will be playable anytime soon, neither on ROCKPI4B, neither on Raspberry Pi 4, but no. But it is a demonstration that at least we can do it. Who knows, maybe in the future with Panfrost much more developed, it can be able, and BOX84, to run the Linux 64-bit version instead of Wine. Or of the Windows version, so we reduce the overhead for the emulation. Maybe that way it could be playable on the future, but I doubt on the Raspberry Pi 4, even with his great Mesa drivers. So we have here Dagger. This is the folder we have installed the game, and I will go to downloads. I will copy this. So here we have the files. I will copy them. Downloads, Daggerfall, Dagger. No. Here is Dagger, and I will paste it. And here I will use an ember. On Raspberry Pi 4 you will need to use another one that I will paste at the bottom here. but on Panfrost I use a a specific environment variable used for Panfrost, which is Pan, Mesa, Debug, GL3, and the rest is for experimental stuff, Wine, and Daggerfall Unity. If I don't do that, this is what will happen. Wine, Daggerfall Unity, X. Remember to use tab. And it will say, hey, you don't have OpenGL 3.2 and you will not be able to play the game. And this is what is happening. So clear, and I will use that M bar. So the game launch at 720p. I don't know if it is if that is the minimum resolution in which you can play the game. I will test the default setup on graphic quality. That is not extremely playable at all, but it is just a demonstration. Okay. New game. Remember, I don't have no idea about the game. Mail. Yeah. And that. Sí. Salva. Ok. Esta cara está bien. Ok. These RPG games are... This is old school, eh? Okay, this is the cutscene. I will skip these videos. The works are fine. The game doesn't run that fine at all. But anyway, there are many layers of emulation here, and it is a Unity game, so I didn't expect it would be playable at all. Also because I am running on an experimental features of the Mesa driver Panfrost here, and I was expecting much worse performance. You can tweak obviously the settings and try to make it playable, something I never tried already. Because I don't know the game, so I am not that interested on make it playable because I don't like the game basically. I played Oblivion 10 years ago and I didn't like it either. My kind of games are more medieval but without magic, like Mountain Blade, that kind of games. So here this guy killed us, I believe. Yes. Okay. Okay. So that's all, guys. That was a demonstration. I think we died already. Okay. Exit. And we are here. And it crashed. Well, that things can happen. But that was a demonstration. Goodbye, guys. Please press the like button, and we see you on next video.